What's up, dead people? Video Game Zombie here, and today I'm just doing a little vlog. Yeah. I haven't got any comments or subscribers yet. None at all. 0. And I was wondering, sorry about that. I was wondering what. This is a stupid video. Anyways, what's up? How are you guys doing? I guess I never properly introduced my Smash. Wow, whoa. Sorry. Hang on 1 second. Okay. This is the plush collection that I have, plus a Mega Man amiibo. Yeah, the first ever Mario plushie that I ever got was a it was a little Mario riding a little Mario and a blue Yoshi. They weren't riding, Mario wasn't riding a blue Yoshi, but I just got them from Hastings. These were the first Mario plushies I got. Mario's mustache came undone, so I had to write a Sharpie one on there. Second one I ever got, probably because I took a break with the plushies. Probably a Toad and a Koopa Troopa. Yeah, Toad and a Koopa Troopa. That's it. Then we got some Pokemon, Pikachu, Mario, Link, Kirby, Donkey Kong, Sonic, or should I say Sonic? And then in here we got oh yeah, forgot to show off my custom plushie. It's a King Boo. We're gonna possibly go to Hastings, and this is gonna be kind of a secret thing. But yeah. And this is just some characters and yeah. This is just some little bonus characters I added because why not? Some different games. We got Toon Zelda, we got Pam, we got Jack, we got Pikmin. Can't really see them, but back there we got Tails. We got Creeper, we got some Mickeys, got a Kermit the Frog, a Torchic. So yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. The Yoshi's up here too. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's basically the gist of this video. Next video? Well, no, not next video, but in the eventual videos, when we get some things done with our house, I will be doing a house tour. I've lived in this house for 2 years now, and you're probably asking, well, where did you live before? I lived in a very bad one-story house. It just wasn't good. Hey, also, if you didn't know, this is a 2-story. Yeah, 2-story house. Cool. I live on the 2nd story. So, yeah, that's basically just in this video. Guys, if you're watching this, hey, what's up? Also, I could see your reflection in your Fallout New Vegas video. So, might want to get that fixed. How about you don't talk right behind the camera? That would be, a big help. So, yeah. Also, Pikachu. And, oh god. I got this. Oh no, I didn't get my hand. But I got, oh god. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I got this from a Loot Crate. Pretty cool, pretty awesome. And yes, Bryce, I get Loot Crates. So get wrecked, newbie shrub. That was probably very bad. Anyways, I will see you in the graveyard. So, peace, dead peeps. Turn off! Oh god, Aries! Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna have to do that. Cat. So as always, I will see you in the graveyard. Peace, dead peeps.